Erik the Travel Guy back with you once again, and please remember to subscribe to my channel. Very important. Share this video, like it, make a comment. Perhaps you've always wanted to learn how they make whiskey. That's why Phil Brandon is here. He's the founder and chief distiller at Rock Town Distillery in Little Rock, Arkansas. I would love to empower someone watching today going, you know what? The brown liquor, I'm not quite sure what to do. It's very fashionable.
Yes.
It's delicious, but there are a lot of options out there. What do I do? So can we do a little bit of this is all whiskey we're talking about, if I understand it, right?
Yeah.
But where does rye come in? Where does bourbon come in?
Right.
This is where I get confused immediately.
Yeah.
Help us out here.
Whiskey is the category, or bourbon is the type.
Oh, perfect.
Okay?
Okay.
So bourbon is a type of whiskey.
Okay.
Rye is a type of whiskey. Scotch is a type of whiskey. Irish is a type of whiskey. And then there's definitions below those types. For a whiskey to be a bourbon, it has to be at least 51% corn, aged in a new charred oak barrel, and made in the United States of America. So it's protected for the United States. But if you do those three basic things, there's some technical things,
right.
But those three basic things, you can call your whiskey a bourbon whiskey.
And did I get this straight here at Rocktown? All of these ingredients are from the state of Arkansas.
Right, so we're very proud to be from Arkansas, and we try to source everything locally. I think it's very important to support our local farmers, our local box makers, our local glass makers. So our corn, our wheat, our rye are all sourced from within 125 miles of the distillery. So I know the farmers that grow the grain, we bring it here, make the whiskey. So, you know, it's all about knowing where your stuff's coming from.
That's cool. From what I understand, we make this sour mash, and we pull the alcohol out of it, and what's left, you send right back to the farmer.
That's right, yeah. So the spent mash, or what we call stillage, goes back to the farmer and he feeds his cows.
Those are some happy cows.
Yes, absolutely. There's a little bit of alcohol left.
Just a little.
Yeah,
that's pretty
so,
good.
You know.
How much art versus science, how does this all work together?
Taste is an artful thing. And so we try every batch, we taste everything, and to me that's the art. And the science is, you know, what is the chemistry that produces flavors?
Got it.
How do we make those flavors? And, you know, what are the metabolic pathways to create those?
Not only can you come here, obviously beautiful place, people are having a good time,
Right.
but you can also take a tour here.
Right.
Because everything is done here.
Right, so we take you through the whole process from distilling, where we mill the grain, we cook the grain, we ferment the grain, we distill the grain, and then we age the distillate in the barrel house to become a whiskey, and then we dump the barrels and then bottle it right here. So it's from grain to glass right here.
Right here in Little Rock.
Yeah.
Phil, thank you for this.
Erik,
I have to get back to the bar because I need to do more product testing immediately. We post brand new videos every day in travel at noon and 4 p.m. Eastern, so hit that subscribe button to remind you, and don't forget to like and share this video as well. Hey, watch another one while you're at it.